Assalamualaikum, dear students of LGS Quetta. I'm Wahid Shah. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This time, grade 8, C and BM both metric and Cambridge, subject English. And this time, the component is poetry. In poetry, we are going to deal with a new kind of poem, that is acrostic poems. So, before we have done haiku and couplet, I think. So, this is the third genre in the poetry. So acrostic poems, these are very easy and interesting poems. Let's begin with the poems. Okay, acrostic poems, in a the definition is, in an acrostic poem, the first letter of each line spell out a word or a phrase. Like from every letter of a word you can make another line or another word. Okay, from each letter you will make a new word or a new phrase. Okay, that's very interesting. Then the second thing you keep in mind is the word or phrase can be a name, a thing, or whatever you like. You can make it like there is no any issue, there is no any restriction over you. So you can make anything, like you can make it a word, name, a thing, or whatever you like. Okay, from that letter. Then the third thing is, when children write acrostic poems, like you, the students, when you like when you like to write acrostics, then you will often use your own first name. You can use your own name, like if you have a good name or whatever your name is. So you can write acrostic poem from your letters of name. Okay, sometimes the first name of a friend. Then usually the first letter of each line is capitalized. So to keep in mind, just you that will make it a kind of easier for you to understand it, that first letter must be capitalized or bold. This makes it easier to see the words spelled out vertically down the page. You can also write it vertically, not horizontally, vertically. I'll give you the example later. Then the next thing in acrostic poems are easy to write because they don't need to rhyme. There is no any rhyme in that, and don't need to worry about the rhythm of the lines. Okay, so you should not need to worry about the rhyme of these acrostic poems. There is no any rhyme. Then how to write it? There are first five steps to write an acrostic poem. First, decide what to write about. Write your own down vertically. You write your word down vertically. Brainstorm your words or phrases that describe your idea. Place your brainstorm words or phrases on the lines that begin with the same letters. Okay. Fill in the rest of the lines to create a poem. Okay. Let's move towards an example. So the first word I have choose that is I have chose the that is ice cream. Okay, I have chosen ice cream. So ice cream, there are letters. I have written the letters vertically. Okay, ICECREAM. Okay, these are the letters. Then from I have written a word that is I, like I. Or then I also created a phrase that is I love every flavor. Then C, cookies and cream. Then E, English coffee. From C I have written chocolate chip. From R, rocky road. From E, even strawberry, and okay, from A, almond, and from M, so these are the words and these are the letters. From those letters I have created my own acrostic poem. Okay, you can make your own. Then the next one is pollution. If your word is pollution, so how you will write acrostic poem from that letters? So look at these and read it like clearly, then you will understand what these letters are saying to you. So these are the two examples. I hope you have understood. Then there is an assignment for you. Write an acrostic poem using your first name. Here is an example. The name is Chris. Okay. Now the Chris has tried to write acrostic poem from his name. Okay, the letters of his name. So it's your assignment to write your own acrostic poem. Okay, to write an acrostic poem from your own name. Thank you so much.